Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to High Quality Trades, where we go over simple support and resistance levels, trend line breaks, and pattern formations. And I give you the price targets of where price is headed in the coming days. So let's get into it. In today's video, we will be going over the SPY, the triple Qs, and the VIX. So let's start this video off here on the SPY's 4-hour time frame. So today is January 16th, and the most recent close of the SPY was 591.64. Today we reached a high of 594.35 and a low of 590.93. We were negative 0.19% on the day. Alrighty guys, so what is price currently doing? Well, today it looks like we were able to get above that first descending trend line. Now we headed up to the second descending trend line, but this is where the bears stepped in and started to push price lower. It seems that the bulls could no longer push any higher. Now it looks like we've headed back down to support, which is right here around these highs. So as long as the SPY can hold above this 590 level, it's possible that we turn around and head back up towards this descending trend line. If the SPY is able to break above this, then we could head up towards the $600 level. But say tomorrow we break below the 590 level, well, that is bearish, and it means we'll head back down towards the 585 level. And if this level breaks, then we could head down towards the 575 level. Now, to get a better idea of where the market's headed tomorrow, let's drop down into the 15-minute time frame, and we'll go over our 200-period moving average. Early this morning, the SPY did gap up, but was quickly faded. And today seems like more of a consolidation type day as the 200-period moving average started to slope upwards. We didn't really go anywhere, but we have closed the gap between price and this 200-period moving average. So now it does seem like it is possible, as long as we remain above this, that we could head up higher. It would be a bearish signal if we were to fall below this 200-period moving average. It would signal the 585 level to get tagged, and then possibly the 575 level. Now, in yesterday's video, I was talking about the divergences here on the momentum indicator and the RSI. So those divergences did play out to the downside. As you see here, the RSI did reach the oversold levels for the most part of the day. Tomorrow morning, let's just pay attention to this moving average. Alrighty, that's going to be it for the SPY. Let's now go over the triple Qs. Here on the 15-minute time frame, you do see that we did fall to our 200-period moving average in after hours today. So now that we have tagged this level, it's possible that the bulls step in and we push price higher. We do have our first descending trend line. If we are able to get back above that, then we can head up towards the second trend line around the 520 area. If we were to break below this 200-period moving average, I'd hope that 510 could hold as support, but it may be that we fall all the way down towards 503. Here on the 4-hour time frame, sort of the same thing. You do notice that we weren't really able to hold above this descending trend line here, and this is where the bears stepped in and we pushed price below this support resistance level here at 516, and we headed down towards the 510 level. We haven't quite made it there yet, but that does seem to be an area of interest. If we fall to this level, the bulls might step up and try to push price higher. The triple Qs needs to break above 516 and stay above for it to possibly head up towards the next resistance level of 526. if we do see the triple Qs up here breaking above this 516 level, she will need to break this descending trend line here to push higher. This will be an area of resistance. So ultimately, we'll just have to wait and see what tomorrow's price action brings. Alrighty, that's going to be it for the triple Qs. Let's now head on to the VIX. So we did get some bullish price action here on the VIX, which was in turn met with bearish price action. The rest of the market reacted bearishly to the VIX popping a little bit. I do believe if we look at our 200 period moving average on the 15-minute time frame, price was quite extended from the moving average, so we were just consolidating. Looks like in after hours we did get a move a little bit higher to close the gap. Last night I was talking about the divergences here on the 15-minute time frame that did end up sort of playing out to the upside, but only later in the day. We definitely were consolidating. This 1571 level held as support, and we've bounced back up off of it. So tomorrow, if the SPY and the triple Qs fall any lower, then it's most likely the VIX will head up towards this 200 period moving average. Back to the 4-hour time frame. Here on the RSI we did reach oversold, so that's where it seems like we're getting a bounce here. I would say look for the VIX to head up towards 1738. This level may act as resistance, but if we break above this level, then 1880 would be the next resistance level. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching High Quality Trades. I'll see you guys in the next video.